Hello everyone, welcome to a tutorial on simple list view adapters. So this will be a two-part video. In the first part, we will be looking at the simple list view adapter. Okay, so in the first video, what we will try to do is create a list of users and attach it as an adapter to the list view. This will be a list of simple strings. In the second video, we will try to create a custom adapter, which is building up on this video itself. So I will show you why do we need a custom adapter. So let's get started with the simplest form of list view adapter. So let's remove this and use linear layout. You can use constraint layout if you want, but my preference is to use linear layout. On the main activity, we will only have a list view. I want it to occupy the entire screen, so we will use match parent for layout width and layout height. Let's give it an ID. User list view. Now, in this space, always start with declaration. And we need an array list. Now to initialize the list of users, what we will do is create a generate user list function. The return type is an array list of type string. Now let's initialize our user list view. To initialize users, we will use our generate function. Now let's create an adapter. So in this case, what we need is an array adapter. So the constructor of array adapter requires three arguments. The first is a context. In our case, this keyword refers to this instance of the object or this instance of main activity. The second argument required is simple list item 1, which is actually a template for a simple text view that we can use in the list view. And the third argument is the list of users or an array list that we need to show on the list view. Now what we do is simply set the adapter. Now let's run the application. So we can see the elements. Now let's understand why do we need a custom list adapter. So in this case, what happens is there is a single text view. Okay, now you see like this is a simple list view, and what we are doing is we are simply adding a string. Okay, but let's say what you want to do is you want to add a row in which you have an image over here. Okay, so for an example, consider the contacts list that you have on your phone. Usually the format is you have an image over here and the second part is a name. Okay, so what happens is you are actually dividing a row into an image view and then having a text view. Okay, so now for such purposes we need to create our own template for each row and then create a custom adapter to accept that custom row in the list view. I hope you understood the difference between a simple list view adapter and a custom adapter. So I will provide a link to my second part of the video.